So here is the sales. I want to give the incentive. I want to give the incentive in the next column. Then condition is, if sales is greater than 50, then I want to give 500 incentive, and if less than 50, then give the 100 incentive. So if you do the manual, one by one check, this is the greater than 50 to the 500, also greater than 50, 500, also greater than 50, high 500, 40 is less than 50, then give the 100. But this is the very critical, so that time we use the condition formula, name is the if. So apply the if functions. If, so how can you apply any formula? Just press the equal and yeah, then you have typed the initial and with the yeah, and no need to open the bracket. You have also select the formula with arrow key, down arrow key. Use the down arrow key. You have changed the your formula, and which formula you want to select, you select, and formula definitions will be come here. Then you use the tab, press the tab key in the keyboard, then your formula will be applied and also bracket is open. Okay, and you also type the manually if and bracket open. This is also work, but sometimes formula name is big, so that time we have select the I and use the tab formula, select the formula. And this is the syntax, logical test, value of true, value of false. This is the syntax. It means formula need three inputs. One input is the required, because logical test not in the square bracket, but logical value of true and value of false is in the square bracket. It means optional, you have enter according to requirement. So we have select the for logical test, it means we have select the A2 is greater than 50. Okay, yeah, greater than 50, and we put the comma. Now input is the value of true. Value of true, it means when greater than 50, then we have give the 500. So type here 500. Now again put the comma, and value false is the activate. Now give the your false part. If your A2 value is not greater than 50, so that time give the 100. So if formula take the one conditions and give the two results according the conditions. So condition are true, then give the first result, and condition are false, give the second results. So when coming false, because we have applied the logical operations, greater than, less than, between,
recording stopped,
and we have dropped down here. Remember one thing, one if, one condition. You have the many conditions, use the many if. So in the one if have a one condition, but sometimes we have also applied in the text, just like we have the week name, just like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like.
Okay.
So I want to show here office of open. So my conditions, if days is Sunday, office will be closed, and days is not on Sunday, then open. Okay, so we have applied formula also if bracket open also, and select the your conditions, and we have applied the SUN in the inverted comma. Okay, any formula take the any text in the inverted comma. Okay, now we have select here office is closed. If Sunday, then office closed, and close is also text, so we give the inverted comma, again the comma, and if not Sunday, it means office open, and open is also text, so we give the also in the inverted comma. So condition is if H2 is Sunday, and remember Excel formula is not case sensitive. Okay, so you have data
It's
is
not
in
what?
capital letter, not case sensitive. capital and small, not different between capital and small. So if you give the condition in the your data in the capital letter, give the condition in the small letter, so VBA is not get the difference. VBA, sorry, in the Excel both are the same. Okay. So this is the H2 is Sunday, then close, otherwise open. So when you have any condition in the text, you have used the inverted comma, right? And again we will say if you have typed the capital A and a small a, both are the same in the Excel, right? But sometimes you have required, no, we have want to exact match. We want to exact match. So yes, a small letter, it means a small letter. Capital letter, again check the capital letter only. So that time one another formula we have applied exact. Exact formula, check the two text exactly. So if you have the case change, give the false result. But give the same case, the capital, small, that time true. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to calculate with the if formula. So I have the sales quantity, and I want to create the amount. So amount condition is say greater than, if sales is the greater than 60, then 40 rupees per piece, per quantity. Okay. And less than 60, then we have charged the 55 rupees per quantity. So if you have ordered, I have the one product, I sell the one product, and you have ordered me less than 60 pieces, then I give the 40 rupees rates per quantity. But you have give me the order less than 60, then we have give the 55 rupees per quantity. Okay. This is the my conditions. How can I calculate? So now I have give the formula if select the cells and give the condition if greater than 60, then sales, it means K2 is multiplied by 40. Otherwise we give K2 multiplied by 55. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have also do the calculation with if formula, right?
Okay.
Press the enter and drag the below. You have give the result. It is clear, sir? So now you have
1 minute only. Let me read it 1 second. 1 second. Let me read it only 1 minute. If you okay. Okay.
got it.
Click.
So
Yeah.
okay. So today I give the one conditions. You have make the 10 example of if formula and send.
Okay. No problem at all. I will make practice tonight.
Do the practice and make the 10 example of if formula, and because if formula is very important in the future classes and future days, in the office you have daily basis use the if formula, because if give the conditions and without condition no life. Okay, every day we have take the conditions. Okay.
I agree.